worldwide debut. And now coming to the stage, the president of Karma Automotive, Marcus McCammon.
Hello, thank you everyone. Look, I'm very, very excited to be here at Amelia Island, and I'm very excited to welcome all of you to Karma Automotive. Now, I do realize that many of you don't even know what Karma Automotive is, so let me give you a quick introduction. So Karma Automotive was founded in 2014 in Southern California to be an American ultra-luxury vehicle manufacturer. I had the privilege of being in Las Vegas in November and sharing with the world our vision to be America's exotic. All of our vehicles are designed, engineered, and manufactured in Southern California. And they are intended to reflect people like you, car lovers, aficionados, designers, builders, racers. We want to build the car that reflects America's culture and America's ingenuity and wraps it into an ultra luxury vehicle package with breathtaking performance and timeless design. The Karma journey begins with the Karma Revero. If you look just on the other side of this tent, our partners at Karma of Jacksonville, who are in the process of opening a brand new flagship store, show you that vehicle. The Karma Revero is a breathtaking, low, long, highly performant sedan that features 536 horsepower, over 700 pound-feet of torque, in an electric drive vehicle that has an onboard generator that refills the battery as you drive. So it's an EV without any range restriction. Now, that's the beginning. When I was in Las Vegas in November, I had the privilege of sharing this vehicle. This is the Karma Gyesera. The Gyesera represents the North Star for the Karma brand. It shows the direction of our new design philosophy, our target acquisition lighting, our Comet line that is breathtaking as you look at the car from any angle, including from on top. It's an all-electric, all-wheel drive, 1,100 horsepower, nearly 1,300 pound-foot of torque super coupe. This vehicle sets the stage for what you can expect from Karma from now and into the future. And today, my job is to share with you the next part of our renaissance. With that, I give you the Karma Gyesera. Oh, bad weather malfunction. So the Karma Gyesera is our first all-electric super coupe. So what does that mean? It means that we have the long dash to axle, low, long, fast proportion that you have come to know from our brand, but it's designed in a coupe-like aesthetic, but with packaging for 4 people. The idea of the Gyesera is to be the bridge between the beginning of our brand with Revero and the North Star, that is Gyesera. The vehicle offers 590 horsepower, 750 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in quite a bit under 4 seconds. I won't give you the exact number just yet. Okay, and an interior package that's designed to fit for the driver. All of our vehicles lost audio. We lost audio. That is not a Karma mic. All of our vehicles are designed to be stable, confident, and capable in driving. So we don't focus just on straight line performance. We focus on making sure that the car has the ability to carve canyons, be highly performant on a racetrack, such that you can actually enjoy the car and drive it. I came into the automotive industry 30 years ago because what I wanted was cars that I could fall in love with. I wanted to be around not appliances, I wanted to be around cars that were special, something that had a signature, something that had an identity that I could be proud of, that I could be passionate about. That's what this whole event is about. That's why you guys are here. And our objective at Karma is to reinvigorate that love affair. So The other thing that you should know is that every detail of our vehicles is designed to be like your finest, most bespoke piece of clothing. We pay attention to details so that they celebrate the car like jewelry. The experience is designed to be bespoke. And every one of our cars features a very limited production. There will never be more than 400 Conveyor built in any year. And there will never be more than 800 Gyeseras built in every year. And when the production is done, it's done. Every one of the cars is serialized and crafted specifically for the buyer. They have the opportunity to come to our plant and have the vehicle curated specifically for them in their choice of color, their choice of trim, and you will receive the markings for the car that are installed at the time of purchase. Everything about the experience is focused on reflecting you. So with that, I'll bring this to a close and say I'm really excited to be here. I'd welcome you guys to come up and take closer looks at the vehicle. And hopefully we'll get to see you again at the Quail. Thank you.